Welcome to the Outlook 2010 video on creating and managing tasks. Now, Outlook is not just an email program, it's also there to try and make your time management and manage your life a bit easier. So we've had a look at mail and we've had a look at calendar. Let's now look at tasks. This is really like an automated to-do list program for you. And very simply, once you've got a list of tasks, you can search, or to simply type a new task, you can simply double click to set some additional options. And let's put example, send proposal to client ABC. Choose the start date for your particular task. In this case, I'll say we're going to start it on Monday and it is due on Friday. The status at this stage is in progress. You can choose the priority and what percentage we have completed. If you need a reminder, you can obviously set it up and it'll automatically choose the due date as the reminder. You can obviously then change that to the start date should you wish. From here, you can see the details. If there is any particular details that need to go in here, such as the date that it was completed, total work, actual work, and billing information. So not only are you using this as a task system, but you can also use this for billing purposes. You can also choose to mark the task as complete. You can also assign the task to a particular person. And if I wanted to update my manager on this particular task, I can send him a status report and all the notes and information I've put on my task will be sent through to him. If this is a task that recurs on a weekly or monthly or annual basis, I can set a particular recurrence, which allows the same task to recur by week or by month or as I have set it up. I can categorize my task in terms of clients or training or whatever categories I've set up. I can also choose to flag my task in terms of when I need to follow it up. So it can flag it as today, tomorrow, this week, next week, and I can add a reminder or mark it as complete. Once I've done so, I click Save and Close, and it will then save the task for me. And when I'm doing my daily duties, I can then go into my task list and start working through my clients. Once I've done that, I can also choose to click on it and it'll give me more information about it. I can also right click on my task and choose to mark it as complete, or say, you know what, I don't have time to do it next week, so let's actually follow this up today. It will then change the date for me and give me that reminder. And then obviously you can choose to dismiss it or snooze it or open it. What's really nice about tasks is that you can also change your mail items to tasks. So if I go to one of my mails and I would like to, let's say, follow this up tomorrow, it will then flag the item for me. And if I go to my tasks, it becomes one of my task items, which make it a really useful tool so I can integrate my to-do list with some of my emails. If there's a particular email I need to send to a client tomorrow, I can flag it. And once I've done it, I can then mark it as complete. It will no longer appear in my task, but still remain within my emails.